Hi, I received a question from Joe regarding the Amtech caulking frame. This is stock code H2150. Joe's question was, how do you pull the plunger bar back, and then also how do you insert a canister of silicone into it? So Joe, the very quick video just to show you, this is a brand new item from our showroom. If you grip the cartridge gun here, use your thumb on this little plate, this little sprung loaded lever here, and you can pull back the plunger. Okay, you need to pull that back, so then you can just insert cartridge of whichever sealant you're using, could be silicone, could be bitumen, and then when you pump the handle, you can see the plunger frame going into the end of the tube, ready for use. So keep going there and it'll reach the end of the tube, and then you're ready to apply the adhesive or the silicone. When you reach a point where you want to stop, you use your thumb and that releases the plunger frame and it'll take the pressure off so it won't keep oozing out of the end. And when you come to remove the tube, I'm just holding the spring in here, pull the frame out and remove it. So I hope that helps, and for any other advice on tools for the home, garage and garden, please go to amtechdiy.com and we'll look forward to answering them for you.